Hey, Desiree. We're on our way again. Where are we visiting this time?
Germany.
Germany. How many hours has it been now? I don't know. But we're here. This is not America. That is Germany. That Desiree. A little schnitzel. This works to me. They all look the same. We made it. We made it. We're in Munich and we're having some German food. Well, actually, this is Austrian schnitzel. Hello, Roland. How are you? And
No, you're not gonna record anything until I fucking smoke a cigarette.
so over there is Rotmanstrasse. That's the street we're staying on. Rotman Street is what that means. And it's a little park here. And then you can see Desiree over there. I think, where is she? Where'd she go? So here we have the Lowenbrau Keller. Look at that big, beautiful copper tower there, that turret. And we're gonna catch up with Desiree and keep going. Munich is a bike town. You see they have these separate bike lanes everywhere. Let's go. Hello. Just give me a toast. Just do like this. So in the menu, there's a picture of a hall, which looks like it was in the late 1800s, early 1900s. I just spoke to the manager here, and he told me that that hall no longer exists. It used to be up above me here in the background. You can see the railing there and the tower, and apparently Hitler himself used to have rallies in that hall, and an assassination attempt was made on his life. The upper half of the building was destroyed during the 1940s, during the war, and was then rebuilt. I don't think the tower was destroyed, however. The Lowenbrau Keller, tradition since 1883. On the 14th of June in 1883, the Lowenbrau Keller has been ceremoniously opened under a big interest from the public. The Lowenbrau Keller was rebuilt in 1894 in cooperation with Friedrich von Tirsch, the builder of the Palace of Justice in Munich. At this time, the impressive tower was added. As a great sensation back then, 1 year later, it was the very first time that napkins and tablecloths were used in the restaurant. The guests didn't have to wash their beer mugs by themselves, and the whole building was electrically lighted for the first time. The rebuild was completed in 1911 by putting up the landmark of the Lowenbrau Keller, the big stone lion, which is resting on the terrace of the main entrance, modeled by sculptor Wilhelm Ruhmann.
Here's to good friends. Here we go. Tonight is kind of special.
Hey, we almost gave up and sent out for peace.
When you want the taste of a truly great beer, tonight, let it be Lowenbrau.
Well, like the song says, here's to good friends.
Here's to good friends. Tonight is kind of special.
Hey, where's Bob?
I thought he was with you.
Oh, you're kidding.
He's not down yet.
Hey, don't you think something happened?
Let's start looking.
Hey! How about a Lowenbrau?
When you want the taste of a truly great American beer, tonight, let it be Lowenbrau.
Hey, you know, for a minute there, you really had us worried.
I know. Thanks. Lowenbrau.